We just had a great day at Xenses by Correct. We did the Sensatorium and conquered our fears. We did the bird flight and the water slides and did the whole entire circuit, which included relaxing in the water, a sludge, rain, and a sauna. We had a great time. Come follow along and see what we did.
Xenses is an adventure park in Riviera Maya designed to mess with your senses through optical illusions, water activities, and fun zones. We're on the bus. To where?
You tell me.
Xenses. Xenses is not an all-day park like Xcaret or Xelha. You can do almost everything in about 3 to 5 hours, so think about planning this park with another activity or park. We planned it with Explore Fuego, so stay tuned for that video. Xenses is the smallest park in the Xcaret family, and it was built using locally sourced wood, stone, and craftsmanship to reflect authentic Riviera Maya heritage. The checklist of what to bring includes swimsuit, water shoes, towels, dry change of clothes, and the most important, the waterproof foam pouch. The lockers are complimentary and food is not included, even if you have an all-inclusive plan from a Xcaret resort. The park has a small branded eatery at the main Pinwheel building where you can purchase snacks, desserts, sandwich, drinks, etc. You can exit and re-enter if you wanted to grab a full meal outside the park and come back. That was the mirrors. It was okay.
You get up when you're ready.
This park is not ideal for people with mobility issues, claustrophobia, or vertigo. Some parts are in complete darkness, which can be unsettling for some. Just a dark tunnel you just walk through. We're about to go into the Sensatorium, and you have to take your shoes off. Located on the Path of Feeling, the Sensatorium is a complete sensory blackout experience set within a cave. You navigate through various ecosystems: desert, sea, jungle, forest, meadow, and mountain. Without sight, relying on the sensations of heat, cold, water, sounds, plants, and even fauna to pinpoint where you are. I don't think I've ever been this close to a flamingo.
I know, they're pretty cool.
Look at that. All right, after you get out of the Sensatorium, you come across the Macau.
I'm kind of nervous. Oh no, that's not for me.
I can do marble therapy.
I'll try, but I need both hands. I think you need to lift yourself up. Oh, these are hot. These are hot.
You cannot film in there, so they would not let me film. Even if I did film, it was completely pitch black.
Like so dark.
So if you're scared of darkness, don't do that.
A little bad.
Or claustrophobia, don't do that. But it was actually really, really cool.
I have claustrophobia, and I thought I was never, the only time I panicked is when we were going uphill. I panicked because I thought I was gonna have to do this, but you didn't.
It's about a 10-minute
It was
ordeal.
I kind of ran through the end. I'm not.
You have to feel your way around everything. You got to feel with your feet. It's a lot of different environments: desert, mountain, but
swamp, which was
swamp. I would really recommend it.
Yeah,
it was good.
I will never do it again, but I'm glad I did it.
Of course not.
I'm glad I did it. Andrew is the lemonade connoisseur at our house. He likes it in a glass bottle. He also likes Kirkland. Kirkland brand lemonade. So this is a tree.
So he's the last one that I
Cool, huh?
Oh.
This is a tree that you get lemonade from. Cheers.
Second.
It was very tart.
Oh, that's good.
Ooh, that's good. Hold on, I'm gonna have it.
It's not as sweet as the old store-bought brand because they put a bunch of sugar in it.
Your backyard, it's not mine. I thought you called it.
This village is part of the Path of Doing, one of the 2 circuits meant to challenge your perception and balance, and it will question what your senses are telling you. So the entrance to the city, it looks like you're going up
To the water.
but you're actually going down, because look. All the buildings look like you're going up, but the water is flowing up as well. So it looks like it's the craziest thing. The uphill town isn't really uphill at all. The Wacky village is built on a slight decline, but clever optical design and tilted walls make it trick your brain. It's one of the park's most Instagram famous zones, filled with over 50 photo ops that trick the camera as much as the eye. Expect loads of tilted door frames, skewed staircases, and gravity-defying poses. So we're walking up to a water slide and we found a big ol', is it an iguana or a lizard?
Oh my God.
I'm not sure.
And
And he's asleep, and he's huge. To give you depth.
oh my God.
Oh, no, he just woke up and got scared.
Aww.
The slide is carved through lush Riviera Maya vegetation and rocky terrain, offering an immersive ride that weaves through natural jungle features and ends up in a cave-like pool. You got it.
You got it, buddy.
Next up on the path of doing is bird flight. We're bird flighting. Uh-oh. Looks like the iguana missed his branch and fell. Or lizard.
Oh, there's more
Macaw! Look, macaws. I mean, there is no lines right now at 11:30. We just walked up to the water slide and got on. Walked up to the bird flight right after the water slide got on. Bye-bye! Like Superman. Bird flight isn't a traditional seated zip line. It's a face-down Superman style flight, letting you spread your arms like wings and truly feel what it's like to fly. Oh, that was awesome. Very short. That was about 20 seconds. Well, we might do it again because that was an experience. Hello. You have to be a minimum of 5 years old, a minimum weight of 66 pounds, and a minimum height of 4'11" to experience the bird flight. And here we go. Next on the path of doing is Riverlaxing. Oh, you do float. Riverlaxing is a peaceful float down a saltwater stream gently illuminated and lined with rocky cave walls. The saline content gives you a light buoyancy, enhancing the soothing sensation as you drift along. It's really hard to float in here, so we're just kind of like, I mean, I'm trying to film as well, but if you really float, it's going to take forever. Because you really just like have to float and then just kind of inch your way down with your fingers. This is step one, water. And then you go to plunge. Sludge. Now we're in the mud. Oh my God, my watch. We're in the mud. Sludgerie is like a blissful mud bath on a lazy river. You lie back and drift along in a cool, clay-rich mud that's intended to be moisturizing and skin cleansing. Adios, amigos. Hola. You have to pull yourself along. It's not like the floating one in the water. You just gotta pull yourself along. I'm only using one hand because I obviously got a camera in the other. 84-degree mud, according to my watch.
I would like for it to be 90.
It's like a thick water, like a mud beard. Step 2 was cleaning off before you got into the mud. Step 3 is mud. Step 4 is cleaning off the mud. Cleaned off. Now we're about to go through a car wash. This is step number 5, the rain. Step number 6, the sauna. Oh, refreshing. Get in there. It took us about 5 hours to do everything we wanted to do in the park. My favorite was the bird flight, and my wife's favorite was the enormity of pictures that we took together.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can join us on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, Senses.
Bye, Senses.